There was one night when I was a kid where I sat down to play Minecraft and told myself I would just play for a little while. I had no idea I was about to be up until 6 in the morning. It always started the same way, where you would just tell yourself one more thing, one more house to finish, one more cave to explore, one more item to craft, and every single time you finished that one thing, there was always another one thing right after it. And at some point, the whole world outside just stopped existing. There was no time. There was no tomorrow. There was just the game and whatever you were building, and nothing else mattered at all. And then you looked up and the room was a different color, and you realized the sun was actually coming up outside, and your whole body just froze because you genuinely did not know where the night went. And you were exhausted in a way you had never been before, but you did not even care. You just sat there for a second and looked at what you built, and it was worth it.